Hello everyone. Today we're looking at two free design tools, Scribus and Inkscape. Both are open source, but they do very different things. Let's break it down. Scribus is a desktop publishing program designed for layout and typesetting. Think of it like a free version of Adobe InDesign. It helps you create professional magazines, brochures, posters, and books with features like color separations and PDF creation. The latest version got a huge update with thousands of improvements, a modern interface with dark mode, and better performance. It's perfect for multi-page documents when you need precise control over text and images. Inkscape is a vector graphics editor that uses SVG files as its main format. It's designed for creating illustrations, logos, diagrams, and clip art. Think Adobe Illustrator, but completely free. Version 1.4 added new features like a filter gallery, improved grids, and better font browsing. It's amazing for creating single graphics that need to scale to any size without losing quality. Here's the big difference. Scribus focuses on page layout for print-ready documents, while Inkscape is mainly for creating individual vector graphics. Scribus is where you arrange everything on pages, and Inkscape is where you draw and design the actual graphics. So, which is better? It depends on your project. Need to design a magazine or newsletter? Choose Scribus. Want to create logos, icons, or illustrations? Go with Inkscape. Many designers actually use both together. They create graphics in Inkscape and then import them into Scribus for layout. The truth is, they're not really competitors. They work together perfectly. Both are free, powerful, and worth learning. Start with whichever matches your current project, and you'll probably end up using both. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more software comparisons.